Hey guys, Ricky Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And, well, as you can see here, I have the Assa Beast, Assa 4.5 in front of us here. Yeah, if you've been watching recently, you'll have seen that I picked this fairly recently. I forget how many videos ago. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link for it in the description. But also, if you've seen my last video, I believe it was, I finally got an upgrade core for this thing. This was sent from the one and only Chris Capune, and yeah, I know I sound like a broken record, Chris, but thank you so much for all the awesome stuff you sent me. I'm having a blast with it. So yeah, this is the core that this padlock takes, believe it or not. Little snowman in this huge thing. And yeah, I think it deserves an upgrade because the core that's in it, the 700, is, I mean, it's a good core, but it's well worn, only one key, and yeah, this thing deserves a bit more. So I think we'll just get right into it and disassemble this and go from there, I guess. One thing I will add, for sake of transparency, that I had to do to this. You can see here the kind of hate that I had to do this, but I mean, it's not that bad. I guess I can get over it. The spinner here wasn't even wide enough for this key to pass through, so I had to, thankfully this isn't that hard, I had to file the spinner so that the twin keys would actually fit through it. So hopefully everything's going to work now. I haven't tested it out. I wanted to leave the final moment for on camera here. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it all works out. I guess you won't be seeing this video if it doesn't, but oh, we'll see. So we can drop that ball out. Oh, this thing is so heavy. I'll unscrew down each side here, each shackle hole. And my Allen key came out. There we go. There's the long one. Oh, that one's already out. Alright. Let's lock it back up. Take this out slowly. Oh, give you guys a better view, of course. And there's my handiwork. I might clean it up a little bit. I'm not too bothered by that. I wish I didn't have to do it, but this kind of leads me to believe that this lock is not really meant to accept the Assa Twin 6000 core. Not sure when it was made. Maybe it was before that, but yeah, like I said, the key would not even fit in here, so that kind of tells me that maybe this core is not supposed to be in this lock, or wasn't designed for it, but I think it'll work, and I'm gonna like it a lot more with that core in it, so we're gonna do it. I mean, kind of late to turn back now with the spinner all filed out like that. Oops, just dropped a oh, I got it. I dropped a spring. So there's our 7-pin Assa 700 core, And I don't see any reason to disassemble this anymore. We'll just drop this core in and oh, it goes down all the way there. I should add too, one thing I had to do, there was a tailpiece in here that I had to take out so that the actuator has that built into it. So that goes on like that. And drop that down. Let's see if that went down there right. Yep. So I guess nothing to do but put it back together and see if it works. We'll have to definitely function test it before I completely reassemble it, of course. Well, let's just see right now if the key fits into it. And it does fit into it, but yeah, the way this key's made, the shoulder kind of gets caught up on it. I was kind of thinking that might be the case. I think what I might do, I might chamfer these so it doesn't matter if the spinner is perfectly in the right position, it'll just slide down a chamfer. But yeah, I'd hate to butcher this up anymore. I can kind of tell by this that this core is probably not made for this lock, but like I said, no turning back now. I think we'll put the ball back in there. Actually, we don't need that ball in there right away. But we do need the key in there. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be the only one using this lock, so it's not that bad. Like I said, I may chamfer those edges, but it's something I can live with, so I'll leave it that way. Sorry for the crappy camera angles, guys. Allen key. All right. Take this off camera for a sec. Sorry, guys. Try to get this. Try and get this Allen key in. Alright, now they're both in. Everything seems to work. Let's add the last ball and just do a quick check without... Yeah. So everything works perfectly. Now I can put this back in without the worries that it's not working. Put this back in, we should be good. Bit of a long video to upgrade a lock, but it is what it is. And let's check this out again. It's not that bad. Let's try it this way. So I just might need to take off a little bit more on this side. That kind of sucks, and I kind of don't want to make it any wider than that. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about just chamfering these edges. Damn, I hate to butcher this freaking beautiful lock, but like I said, kind of no turning back now. Oh, that one side's okay. I was also thinking of chamfering the key, but I don't know if I want to do that either. That's not that bad. I can live with that. Like I said, I'm going to be the only one using this lock anyway. Unless I die and... well, unless I die. When I die. And some lucky expletive gets to take over my collection. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with that. And Chris, I can't thank you enough, man. That's this really makes this lock up to my standards. Oh yeah, that's not that bad. Yeah. Just that one side. Anyways, I'm going to leave you guys at that. Let me know what you think. If you think chamfering it, or... yeah, I don't think I want to screw with the keys. I don't know. It might... I don't know. I'm going to have to sleep on it and think about that. But, yeah. Chris, thanks again, and hopefully you guys got something from that. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think it was a bad idea, good idea. Let me know if I should chamfer it. Always open to suggestions, guys. Anyway, thanks again. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.